That's right. Okay. It is a brief lesson today. It is the second day of the law of sines and first day of law of cosines. The second day of law of sines is easy. If you would be so kind as to put triangle DEF. This side might be on your worksheet as side EF. We could also call it side little d. Thank you. This across from E and across from F. All right. On today's example, I'm going to have 54 degrees on angle E. Side E is 17 somethings long. Side D is going to be 20 somethings long, and I'm going to be asking you to find angle D. This, excuse me, is not horrible. So we're going to use the law of sines with the D and the E, and we don't need the F. Say yep. Yep. So I'm going to write sine of big D over little d equals sine of big E over little e. Say, that's just like yesterday. All right. Hopefully I know numbers in 3 of the 4 spots. Sine of big D, don't know, but little d is 20. Sine of big E, I'm sorry, yeah. Sine of 54 over 17. Say this, say, hey, I know 3 out of those 4 numbers.
Hey, I know 3 out of those 4 numbers.
Excellent. Boy, it's better without those other kids. Just kidding. All right. So now we do cross products. Take 17 times the sine of D. And we take 20 times the sine of 54. So far, so good. I want to find side D, so I divide by 17. Would you please say this is remarkably similar to yesterday?
This is remarkably similar to yesterday.
Okay. You're going to be gasped with joy and happiness when you see this. You're going to take 20 times the sine of 54, hit enter, and divide by 17. Please do that. I don't have a calculator because I'm using my computer because I care about the absent kids, apparently. I mean, I do. Now, this, some of you are going to say is brilliant. Does it say like 0.56 or 0.83 or something like that? I can find the angle. It only takes a second. The only thing different, we're trying to find the angle. So now go second sin of that decimal number. Second sin of that decimal number. And we all go, yay. Shout, I don't have a calculator. The little kid stole it. 72 degrees, anyone agree 72? Hey, that's not difficult, is it? Okay. Cool. You okay? All right. Say, I don't even need to do another one of those. Didn't think so. And now, the very brief introduction to the law of cosines. And I'm going to write this down, and you don't even have to write this down. You don't even have to, because it is a brief introduction to the law of cosines. So today, you're going to have this written down here. It's going to say something like this. This is going to be written down for you. Would you please, and by the way, just a hint, so these are the sides of a triangle, one's 15, one's 17. So would you now, on one line on your calculator, type this whole thing in, 15 squared plus, do it all on one line. 15 squared plus 17 squared minus 2 times 15 times 17 times the cosine of 46. Hi, you're here for being bonus. Okay, fun. Say, does it look like side A is about like 50 or 100 or 200 or 500? What did you get? 159? Say, I got 159.
I got 159.
Hey, hang on, that makes no sense. One of the sides is 15, one is 17, is the other 59? Hang on, this is a squared. Please square root that number. And what do you get? Huh? 12.6, 12.6, 12.6? Cool. Does that make a lot more sense if that would be sides of a triangle? Good, so that is all we are doing for the introduction, Okay, now I can't record your faces because this is going on the internet. But if you want to wave at the little kids, you could hide. No, we don't even want to do that. Okay, so I'll just, here, anyone waving at the people gone? Okay, oh, there are all sorts of kids. Okay, two kids are waving at you. Okay, all right, goodbye.